Hi, I'm Hugo and I'm here with Rockblaster Hammers going over how to install and remove a chisel in a Rockblaster RB1000G. Today we're going to need a few tools. A 3 or 4 pound sledgehammer, a drift pin, our certified black moly grease, and a pair of rubber gloves to ensure you don't get absolutely covered in grease when you're putting it on. Installation is always easier with 2 guys, one to look and one to work. So today I have a guy who's going to help me take out the retainers, stop pin, and rubber plug. The first step is to remove the rubber plug. Take your drift pin and mallet and hit the rubber plug out with the other guy catching it. Remove the stop pin. And then you can also use the stop pin to push out the retainers. Here we have our 2 retainers, our stop pin, and our rubber plug. Now we're ready to install the tool. We have our operator up in there watching us, and it's very important to make sure your operator is on the same page as you when you're installing your chisel. You don't want to use too much, just about a handful, and you want to apply it evenly over the whole surface of the tool. Now we are ready to install our retainers. So you drop both in. So now that we have both of our retainers in, we're going to insert the stop pin and the rubber plug. We have now successfully installed the tool in our RB1000G. Please like and subscribe our channel for more hammer videos.